With over 40 years unrivaled experience and a worldwide reputation, BSI leads the way in testing and certification of fire safety products. Based in our dedicated labs in Hemel Hempstead, our team provides BSI Kite Mark and CE testing and certification for a broad range of products including fire extinguishers, hoses, alarm panels and heat and smoke detectors. We help clients to gain access into the European market by ensuring that products meet all the CE mark requirements. And we're familiar with the market access regulations of most countries across the world, enabling customers to enter markets globally. The BSI Kite Mark is categorised as a British super brand and acknowledged the world over as a symbol of trust, integrity and quality. It provides the reassurance that vital product safety and performance requirements have been met. Our teams subject each product to a rigorous set of tests, along with robust production control audits, designed specifically to ensure that they perform to required standards of safety and quality. We test for compatibility of fire detection and fire alarm system components to ensure that they're compatible and connectable. This service meets the growing requirement of European regulatory authorities to meet national installation guidelines. We also perform tests on individual detection components. Fire suppression products, such as fire extinguishers, are subjected to rigorous tests designed to ensure that they're effective, safe, and capable of performing in environments and conditions in which they're stored and used. The symbols for BSI Kite Mark and CE certification represent quality, safety and trust. For specifiers, they demonstrate a commitment to best practice procurement, and for the public, they provide the reassurance that fire safety products are effective and reliable.